What's up, guys? Hayden Flickinger here with another video, and today we got a race car track and we're going to be racing little cars on it. Here's one of the cars, orange one, a green one, and another green one. Here they are all on the ground here. Two green ones and an orange one. That's what the track looks like so far. So today we're going to be racing on it. Right now I'm going to turn on my little Japanese little lantern. I like this little thing, it's cool. So today, there's the Japanese lantern. I like it. Now we're going to get the cars rolling. Apparently this thing glows in the dark. I don't know. Boom. Oh, the cars are rolling. And here one comes back around. This is cool. Okay, now I'm going to put up... Oh no! They're wrecking. Why are they doing that? We don't want them to do this. There we go. Solve the problem. Okay, now we're going to put it right here. And watch this. I'm going to turn the lights off. This looks so cool. Oh my god. This looks so cool, guys. Okay, look. Look at it. It's glowing. Oh, oh. Missed. No. Oh. Track like glows after the black lights on it. Pretty cool. Watch, we're gonna watch it come through the tunnel. Oh, and through the tunnel. Okay, now we're gonna watch it coming through the tunnel. There's the orange one. Oh, it's in the lead. Green one, another green one. Here's an aerial view of the track, kinda. Look, it goes under the bed like that. Guys, this thing is so cool. It like glows in the dark after the black light hits it on the car. Oh, and the green ones have a competition. Right there. The green ones have a good competition. Then the orange one's in the lead right there. Out through the tunnel. Okay, this is really cool, guys. Like, I don't even know how to explain this. I'm gonna put this one behind this one because that was kind of fun. Now we're gonna set you up like this. We're just gonna watch the track. Oh, there goes the orange one in the lead. The green one, the other green one. Here comes the orange one again coming through there. Oh, and that green one's catching up to him. Pretty cool. I'm gonna let you get another view of him right here. There we go. Here's a little view of him. Oh, look at this green one right here. It's right on the orange's foot. Orange is not so much in the lead, or is it too much in the lead? Let's see. Well, and let me catch this green one. Look at the headlights on it. That's so cool. Ooh! I like that. That's pretty cool. And they're off again. We're like right beside the tunnel here, right here. We're gonna watch them go in the tunnel. Woo! Oh! Woo! guys, I think this is so cool. Like, and here it is in like the light. It's pretty cool. So guys, color green. Got one of the green ones here off, and orange one off, and now a solo. I don't know why, but this is the green one. Boop. Well, guys, if you like that, like the video, and if you want to see more of these like race car tracks, I got a whole nother one. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be so cool. We're going to get out the dune buggies on this big track. This is what we're going to be making tomorrow. Dune buggies. It's so cool. And I got this for Christmas 2 years ago, and we're going to make a video on that tomorrow. This thing's electric powered, and it's really cool. So if you want to see more of these, just comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you tomorrow.